Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out at Cadillac today. We're doing a fitment on a Cadillac XT6. This is a 2024. And this XT6 actually has a sensor there. It's got a camera in the lower grill there. Most Cadillacs do not have that, but this one does. We're going to mount this one on the driver's side. Fortunately, it does have fasteners underneath, so it's going to be a no drill. We're going to use factory screws, so we'll go ahead and get started with the fitment, and I'll turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks, Steve. So this one is going to be using factory screws, I believe, like Steve said. That's got a Torx T15. So we're going to be removing the two Torx T15 screws. There's one right here, and then there's one right there. So nice thing about this is it's going to be factory screw out and then a factory screw right back in. So it'll be, like I said, we'll be reusing those. So we're just going to take them out and set them right there. So there we go. I think I can get that out with my hand. Yeah. Okay, so now that we got the factory screws out, we're going to go ahead and put the base plate on. And again, it's going to be reusing those factory screws we just took out. So you're going to put it through the base plate, line it up with the hole, and get her started. And we want to make sure you start each one before you just start tightening them up. This makes it so you have a lot less problems. There you go. So now I get them both started. Go ahead and take my T15 Torx socket and start snugging it up. I like to kind of spin each one. I know we're kind of close there. Hopefully we got that. Okay. This is a long bracket, by the way. The bolt pattern on this thing is, I believe it's 11 and 15/16. So these screws are quite a ways apart. Fortunately, we do have a base plate that can span that. And again, these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them down. You can say I'm putting a pretty good turn on them. And there you go. And then you can see that's nice and solid. So then you just take your front plate, start it into the tubes. They hit the pull pin, get it by the pull pin, push till it clicks into place. And there you go.
And remember from time to time to lubricate your pull pin with some WD-40. And if you're going to go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove this front plate here with the license plate on it, because it will damage it. And yeah, and then the front here, this is what it looks like from the front. When you get your license plate will go on there, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.